everyone. We've got a little bit of a different video today in that I'm going to do an unboxing of my November OwlCrate. This is sort of just a little bit of a video in between things at the moment because I'm still working on some Wicca and witchcraft things that I should hopefully be posting soon. I've been getting OwlCrate for a very long time, so since 2015 I think. If you notice on the back, like literally this whole shelf is my OwlCrate book collection. So I've been getting this box for a really long time. I am still waiting for my special edition Queen of Nothing box. I'm really excited about that box just because OwlCrate have called it the Fairy Dwelling box. So it's all things for the home, so I'm really excited to receive that one. I've avoided spoilers for the November box and the Queen of Nothing box like the plague. So I didn't want to see any spoilers at all for these two boxes. I just wanted it to be a complete surprise when I got them. I have been on the OwlCrate group on Facebook and people seem to think that the November box is actually a lot better than the Queen of Nothing box, but might just be personal preference, but we shall see. If you already know what's in this box, then fantastic. If not, then you can experience it with me. So let's have a look what's inside. There was a cat. Okay, so Tom's sitting over there because I feel awkward talking to the camera, so let's just open it. I'm so excited. Are you excited, Russ?
Beside myself.
I think this is the blanket, Russ.
Is that actually? It's actually a blanket. Oh my god.
Well, yeah. All forests are magic throw blanket. So we knew there was going to be a blanket, but we didn't know. Oh, it's so soft. It's so soft.
It looks soft.
Oh, it's so pretty. It's not very big. I was expecting like
turn it around, yeah.
Huge.
Yeah, but it's just the right size to wrap you up in.
Yeah. Oh, you can see it. This is what it looks like.
Down a bit. There we go.
And it's pink. Like pink. So, what else is in the box? The enamel pin, which usually matches the book, so I don't actually know what the book is, but this is the pin. So this is the enamel. It's very pretty. It's got like a, I think it's a moth, some sort of moth. Do you want to see what it is?
Yeah. Oh, it's a death's head moth, I think.
Through the Enchanted Forest. I forgot what the theme was, but that's what the theme is. So yeah, we've also got something by Juniper and Ivy Designs. So we've had something from these before. I remember ages ago it was a little Death Star necklace. Do you remember that? You don't remember that?
No.
Trying to open it really carefully so that I don't rip the sticker, but now I can't actually get in
Rip the bag.
to the packet. I don't want to. Ah! Okay. Oh, I've ripped the bag. Ooh, I think it's another Christmas tree ornament. Yeah, I've already got two. Do you remember that?
I remember one, I don't remember the second one.
Yeah, and it says, trees in your eyes, stars in your heart. I don't know what that's from though. Hi, Pops.
Exploding tits in the room. Oh, sorry.
Juniper. Oh, it is. It's Raven Boys. Yeah, I thought it might be, but yeah, it is. Raven Boys. Okay. Ooh. Pip stickers. They're shiny stickers.
I've had some of them before, haven't you?
No. Shiny stickers, and then there's like regular stickers on the back. They're super pretty.
Ollie.
Hello, Princess.
Come here.
Over there.
Come here.
Thank you. Ooh, this looks
There
funky.
we go. Yeah.
Ooh, that is a fancy bookmark. Like, it's metal. A metal bookmark. I don't know what that's from, but it's amazing. Touch it.
That's actually quite hefty.
Yeah. So, we've been getting reading planners in OwlCrate boxes for the last 2 years, and they said that they were putting this one in the November one, and I was really excited. And look how pretty it is. It looks quite similar to the inside to the one from last year, but there's just so much more stuff in it, and it's just like really quite substantial. And then you can use the stickers in the planner.
Epiphany.
It's a book that I wanted.
Is it?
Yeah. Then we've got a little quote thing from Amber and Dusk, which I've got. It's on the shelf there. Not actually ready yet. Look how pretty. I've seen this on Instagram for ages, but this cover is so much better than the original. But this is the book. Winterwood. And it looks super pretty. A spellbinding tale of witchery, deadly secrets, and woods that hold grudges. Dun dun dun.
Dun, dun, dun.
And then in the bottom is the OwlCrate magazine. You can do the the word search.
Yay, word search.
If you want. And then the spoiler card for next month. A book sleeve designed by Chatty Nora. Ooh. And it's Tales of Trickery.
What is Fauna doing?
I don't know, but I've got weird audio. So, I think, I don't know what my favourite is. I love this blanket and it's actually really warm and really soft. I'm so excited about the book. I had no idea what the book was, but this is amazing, and it's got blue pages. Ooh, look at that.
That's nice.
That's pretty. That's pretty. So yeah, the blanket's like my favourite, but then the stickers and the planner, I love planners, are the next favourite. But I do also like the pin.
Oh, Flo's woken up.
And this. Okay, look at this. Bobo. Bobo. Bobo.
Doesn't care at the minute.
No? Okay, fine. I can see why so many people loved this month's OwlCrate. If you didn't actually know what OwlCrate was, then this video is probably giving you a big hint as to what it is. Basically, you get a book every month with lots of bookish goodies to go with it that fit a particular theme. I think the blanket is definitely one of my favourite things because it's just so soft. The reading planner is actually really beautiful, and you can tell it's like really good quality. The stickers are so cute as well. I do love this bookmark. I've never had a metal bookmark before, but that is so cute. And I'm so looking forward to reading this book. I'm hopefully going to do a unboxing when I get my Queen of Nothing box, and then hopefully I'll be able to do a little bit of a comparison, see which I preferred this month. If you get OwlCrate and you got this month's box, let me know what you think in the comments. If you didn't get this box, is it something that you would love to get? Have you read this book? Do you want to read this book? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.